Hey y'all, it's B-Dog Jr. back with you. I got some new headlights for my truck. I'm going to be bench testing them here before I put them on the truck. I just want to see how they're going to work. I'll show you what I got. So these are my new headlight housings. You can see I've got the turn signals and the parking light are disconnected on that one. And they just slide on. That's the way it's designed. Interlocking slide pieces there. This one's already assembled. I've got the lamps are already installed. I went with these BeamTech lamps. LEDs. Fanless. Enjoy the light with quietness. Ultra thin design. I think they're supposed to last like 30,000 hours. Something like that. Yeah. 30,000. It sounds like a long time. I guess I'll find out. This is the box that the housings came in. Warning. Seems like everything causes cancer in the state of California. Anyway, everything came from Amazon, like most stuff does. I'm going to be powering them up here on my bench using this set of 10-foot retractable test leads. They're just lightweight, I think like 20 gauge wires with light alligator clips. If these were halogen bulbs, I would probably melt these wires. The reason I want to test it is because my old housings don't have those cones in the middle. Yeah, it's got a cone in the middle of them that's covering the lamp. I just want to see how well these work before I put them on the truck. Let me get my battery hooked up. I'm using this motorcycle battery. It's the old battery out of my motorcycle. I just charged it up, so it's got 12.3 volts right now. I just got myself a tripod from Walmart. It's like $30 at my local Walmart. So I'm going to set my phone up on the tripod and then I'll hook the battery up so you guys can see how bright these lights are, or at least one of them. These bulbs have a nice long pigtail coming off of them, so you don't have to worry about if your wiring from your vehicle is too short. These should be able to reach. It's got 3 prongs inside there, the middle one being the ground. I've already got my alligator clips hooked up on this one. I'll show you with my light here. Make sure the clips are not touching each other before I connect the battery up. See, they're good. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and hook up the battery here. Here we go. It's not real bright, not as bright as I had hoped for. Let me turn the overhead light off. There we go. I imagine it'll be quite a bit brighter with a bigger battery. My truck's battery plus the charging system. So it should be quite a bit brighter than this. But at least it seems to have a nice focus in the middle there. I'll take that bulb out so you guys can see what it looks like with it turned on when it's not installed in the housing. And here's the bulb or lamp, whatever you call it. You can see how it's got two chips on each side, two of the LED chips. I believe the top one is for high beam and the bottom is for low beam, if I'm not mistaken. It's got a little BeamTech logo on there. And it's got an O-ring around the outside, another O-ring in the middle there. Use that collar for getting the correct clock angle, because these, when they're installed, they have to be straight up and down, just like this. And it also uses this gray collar here to lock it in place. Mine just slips over the connector there. And I'll show you that cap on the inside of the housing that I was talking about. I'm not really sure if that's going to work out for my truck or with these LED bulbs. That's why I wanted to bench test it. You know, these housings are almost identical to the ones that I have on my truck now, except for mine don't have that cap on the inside. Okay, this is the part of the program where eye protection is important. I got mine on. There we go. Ooh, that's bright. Move it around a little bit for y'all. Make sure you guys can see it. But I'm sure it's quite a bit brighter when it's installed in the vehicle with the right voltage. So yeah, that's my BeamTech LED bulbs and my anchor housings. So once I get them installed, I'll show you guys the before and after on the difference that these make driving at night. And yeah. Anyway, y'all take care. This is B-Dog Jr. We're over and out.